Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can track orders on your TikTok shop. So once you're on the TikTok uh, seller homepage here, so it's sellerittokopedia.com/homepage. It might be different for you. The URL depends on which region you're selling from. So it either have to be on whatever website you're on. After that, once you're on the seller center here, you just have to go to orders and also manage orders, right? So right now I don't have any orders I can show you, but this is where your orders will show up. So there you can click on all to ship, shipped, completed, pending, canceled, failed delivery, all those sorts of stuff. You can also do to ship, like there's also some filters here that you can do. Like there's shipping method and there's also label, there's shipping provider, there's order contents, things like that. So you can also do warehouse name, seller node, payment method, ordered back here as well. See, like this. And also payment methods, order exclusion, dispatch issue, things like that. So that is how you can track orders if you have any on your TikTok shop.